perform as good as the Cubans.
And Takrawinji from the Oyugis produced the most consistent performers to emerge overall champions in the inaugural Kisumu County Karate Association Chairman's Open Championship held at the Seme in Kombewa in Kisumu County. Maseno University stamped authority in the novice ranks to top the overall medal table after bagging 4 gold medals. In the senior ranks, Kisumu YMCA's Branu Cheng delivered a double victory by winning both the senior kata and kumite titles, marking him as the most dominant senior competitor.
I hope to incite and excite the interest of young people in Kombewa, both boys and girls, to join this great sport. It's a sport of discipline, it's a sport of intellect, and it's a sport of all growth that a person requires.
Government of Kisumu, they should be involved, at least at watenge such kind of field halls za watoto kutrainia. They sponsor us in any kind of championship yenye tunaweza kuwa nayo.
We have competitors of all categories, starting from children of different age groups. Then we have the novices. The novices are called cadets in martial arts language. They are a little bit maturer than the children and have gained more experience. Then we'll also have the seniors.
And on that note, we come to a close of the